Okay, so before we get into the fun stuff, I want to show you exactly why I decided to do this upgrade in the first place. These are the factory halogen headlights that most BMW F30s come with, especially if you have a base model car. Honestly, they're not good. On paper, they're fine, they meet the requirements, but in real world driving, especially at nighttime, they just don't cut it. The light output is super weak. They have that very dull yellow color, and it just doesn't inspire much confidence, especially when you're driving on dark roads or in really bad weather. You can see here that even in this video, these are just the daytime running lights. I put upgraded LED bulbs into the stock halogen housings that you'll see here. So this is the low beams on with LED upgraded bulbs. And yeah, they're pretty bright, but there's no beam pattern to them whatsoever. So they just shine a crap load of light down the road. You're constantly getting flashed. So even with LED upgrades, they're really still not that good. So that's where these OEM style replacements come in. These are sourced from Alibaba, which is what makes it really interesting because they're significantly cheaper than most other LED headlight upgrades that are available. The real question becomes, are they worth it? So let's get started with the unboxing. They did take about 33 days to show up after placing the order. The seller that I'm going to link to was super responsive to messages and provided all kinds of shipping updates, so it really wasn't too much of a worry if they were going to come or not. It was just kind of waiting for them. Right away, the pocket packaging is super solid. Everything's well protected, lots of foam, no damage from shipping. Each headlight comes fully assembled. Lenses, housings, the modules, the wiring is all there. There's no swapping any parts over from the stock headlights, which is a huge plus. The build quality is really, really surprisingly good. The lenses are super clear. The housings finish looks awesome. There's nothing cheap or flimsy. They actually feel heavier than stock OEM headlights, which is pretty surprising. All the mounting points line up with the factory locations. The connector is not in an identical location to the OEM headlight, but it's well within reach of the stock wiring, so it's a plug and play situation. There is no coating that's needed for these headlights. They are supposed to plug in and be a plug and play upgrade for halogen specific F30 models. So they have two different ones if you have a factory halogen car or a factory xenon car, and they're both plug and play. You just got to choose the right option. But you can see here that it seems like a pretty well situated headlight here. It's fully complete, plug and play, and the build quality is really nice. They even come with new clips on the bottom here, so if you've never had the headlights out of your car, it's almost 100% guaranteed that these clips are going to be seized and you're going to have to probably cut them off. But it comes with brand new ones, which is awesome. Now, I didn't film the entire step-by-step for this car, but here's the car in the shop where I was installing the headlights, so they're already installed here. Install was super straightforward. If you're familiar with bumper removal, the bumpers on F30s are not hard to remove, and then the headlights are an extra 4 bolts and 1 connector. Very straightforward. There's no cutting, no drilling, no sketchy wiring, everything bolted up where it should. The connector housing is in a different location-ish, but the OEM harness still plugs right into it. The modules are a very tight fit into the car. You can see here that the clearances are pretty tight, but it was not difficult to install. It really slid right into its spot. These headlights retain the OEM horizontal and vertical headlight adjustment points because you're going to need to aim them after they're installed. Panel gaps look factory. The headlights sit flush. There's no weird spacing around the hood or bumper. Design-wise, they completely changed the front end of the car. It really looks a couple years newer. During the day, the LEDs are crisp and bright. They give the car a much more aggressive upscale appearance. From a few feet away, you'd really be hard-pressed to tell that these weren't OEM LCI headlights. Everything functions as expected. The low beams, high beams, turn signals, daytime running lights all work properly. There's no flickering, no warning lights on the dash, no error messages so far. And that's always a concern with aftermarket lighting, especially LED setup, so I consider that a big win. Here are the low beams, but hard to tell about light output in the shop. Let's get them outside at nighttime and see how they look. I'm going to switch between low beam and high beam here for a few minutes. but all this is good nighttime driving example of these headlights. The beam pattern's way wider, it's brighter, it's way more even. Compared to the stock halogens, they throw a lot more light down the road. The road signs light up earlier. Everything's easier to see on the road, and the high beams are noticeably stronger without being blinding. But it's really the kind of upgrade you immediately kind of see after you get them installed. So overall, I'm actually really impressed with these headlights, especially for the price. Yeah, they're from China, but they really did exceed my expectations in the kind of build quality of fitment and performance. Honestly, you don't really know about these things when you're ordering them from Alibaba. So, I mean, this is probably more so a video for people that are like unsure about ordering something from Alibaba or a site like that. But I'm gonna try to link to the exact specific person that I use, because there's a bunch of different people on Alibaba that sell these exact headlights. But I'm gonna try to link up in the description and on here exactly who I did use, because they were, like I said, super responsive and really on top of it when it came to getting me these headlights. And I think they are a great option considering the price. There's a couple of companies in the US that are selling these same exact headlights for triple or quadruple the price. But if you just don't mind waiting a few extra weeks for delivery, you can get them for right around 400 bucks. So honestly, really good. Let me know what you guys think. Drop any questions in the comments. Let me know. Thanks.